In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add JavaScript in Elementor, a beginner-friendly tutorial that will guide you through the process in just 5 minutes. So if you're ready to enhance your WordPress website with custom scripts, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress site. Simply open up your browser, navigate to your site's login page and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the familiar WordPress dashboard. Now that we've accessed the dashboard, head over to the Pages section. You'll find this in the sidebar on the left. Clicking here will take you to a list of all your current pages and posts. This is where you'll select the specific page or post you wish to edit and add your JavaScript to. Browse through your list and find the page you have in mind. Once you have identified your target page, go ahead and click on it. Now you'll want to click on the option that says Edit with Elementor. This action will open the Elementor editor, which allows you to make real-time changes to your chosen page. If you're new to this tool, you'll soon appreciate how intuitive and powerful it is for designing and customizing your site. Within the Elementor panel, you have the flexibility to drag and drop sections or containers onto your page. This drag and drop feature makes it incredibly easy to design and rearrange content on your site. With this capability at your fingertips, you can start setting up the area where your JavaScript will reside. Next, we'll search for the HTML widget within the Elementor panel. You can do this by typing HTML in the search bar located at the top of the widgets panel. Once the HTML widget appears, simply drag this onto your page, placing it wherever you need the JavaScript function to operate. With the HTML widget now on your page, click on it to access the content area. This is where the magic happens. Here, you will paste your JavaScript code into the widget's content area. Make sure your code is correct and ready for action. Once you've placed your JavaScript code in the right area, it's time to preview your work. Click the preview button to see a live version of your page with the JavaScript functionality implemented. This step lets you double check everything is working as expected before going live. If you're satisfied with how your changes look and everything seems functional, it's time for the final step. Click on Publish to make your edits live on your website. By publishing, you effectively save all the changes and update your site with the new JavaScript capabilities you've added. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added JavaScript to a page using Elementor on WordPress. Feel free to revisit and tweak as needed to suit your project's needs. Thanks for tuning in and happy building.